Welcome to 1783 Woodview Avenue, a stunning custom home situated on a sprawling 90 by 200 foot, fully landscaped lot on one of the most prestigious streets of Pickering's Highbush neighbourhood. Its oversized triple-car garage has a drive-through rear tandem door with a gate to access the backyard. The circular driveway can accommodate parking for up to 20 vehicles, and the sun-washed west-facing covered front porch has both a secondary entry into the home as well as the main double-door entrance. Its glass panels and side lights accented with scrolled wrought iron inserts, and with just over 4,000 square feet of main and upper-level living space, plus a finished lower level with 2 in-law suites, this home is ideal for multi-generational families. An impressive lantern-style chandelier illuminates the foyer and the upper hallway, and immediately to the right and through a double French door entry is the formal dining room, an elegant entertaining space showcasing a waffle ceiling with a circular center, a butler's hall for access to the kitchen, as well as hardwood flooring. Across the slate-tiled foyer with its mosaic inlay is the formal living room. Overlooking the front yard, this light-washed space also features hardwood flooring, as well as decorative ceiling trims and custom crown moldings, while above its huge Palladian window is a soaring vaulted ceiling with pot lights. The main level is a showpiece of exceptional attention to detail, and the great room is no exception. Beyond its arched entry graced with custom decor columns is an absolutely stunning entertaining space showcasing gorgeous hardwood flooring, a 2-story Palladian window, and a soaring cathedral ceiling with ambient cove lighting, pot lighting, as well as an exquisite modern chandelier. A double-sided gas fireplace brings added warmth to the room, its mantel having an arched niche with an accent light, and this mantel, the decor columns, and the window trims all have the same custom finish. The kitchen has a French door entry off the main hallway, with the foyer's slate flooring continued through into here and the adjacent utility spaces. The breakfast area shares the coziness of the great room's double-sided gas fireplace, which also spreads its warmth into the superbly designed custom kitchen. Showcasing gorgeous maple cabinetry with interior and undermount lighting, upper moldings, a pantry, and a chef's desk. Other impressive features of this incredible meal prep space include a stainless steel built-in wall oven and microwave, a center island with a wine fridge, granite counters and stone-tiled backsplashes, a built-in stainless steel dishwasher and gas cooktop, a fridge and bottom-mount freezer paneled to seamlessly blend with the cabinetry, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink with a pot light above it. And both the kitchen and breakfast area have the added elegance of classic light fixtures. The garden door walkout opens onto a huge 2-tiered composite deck that is partially covered, and during the summer months, the backyard is a stunning resort-like oasis that showcases an interlocking patio area, a separate flagstone patio with a fire pit, a sitting area with a pergola, a tiki gazebo, and an above-ground pool. Extensively landscaped with interlocking perennial gardens and a pond, the backyard also features a hot tub, a play structure, a rough-in for a washroom, hookup for a gas barbecue, a multi-zone speaker system, as well as a garden shed wired for hydro, a security camera, and internet. Off the kitchen is a mudroom also accessible from the home's secondary front entrance, and which features access to the triple-car garage, a sink with a granite counter and stone backsplash, laundry hookup, a wall of built-in shelves, closet storage, as well as a pocket door entry. While the adjacent butler's hall into the dining room has a French door entry to the finished lower level that is exclusive to the main household. Above the hardwood staircase is a Tiffany-style light fixture, and this level features access to a huge cold room, a spacious recreation area with pot lighting and an oversized basement window that can also be utilized as an additional bedroom, as well as a 4-piece washroom. This home also has a separate outdoor entrance to the 2 in-law suites, both which have a kitchen, a full washroom, a recreation room, and a bedroom, with both suites also sharing a laundry area. The main level additionally features a home office with hardwood flooring, a waffle ceiling with pot lighting, and a full wall of custom cabinets surrounding a built-in fish tank. And adjacent to the home office is a side hall with a spacious double coat closet, as well as a 3-piece washroom that features a glass shower with mosaic accent borders and a contemporary vanity surrounded by a stone-tiled backsplash. Pot lights brighten the foyer, and stone risers are a unique accent detail with the hardwood staircase and its railing to the upper level. And hardwood railings also line the upper hallway and an indoor balcony, both finished with hardwood flooring, where they are open to the level below. The upper level showcases many of the same superb finishes as the main level and has 4 spacious bedrooms as well as 2 beautifully appointed washrooms, with the main washroom just off the staircase landing. Finished with porcelain tiles throughout, this 5-piece washroom also features a rainfall shower head, pot lights, a vanity with quartz counter and undermount basins, and has a linen closet right outside its door. Adjacent to it is the 2nd bedroom, which enjoys the bright afternoon light of a west-facing exposure, is carpeted for added coziness, and has private access to the indoor balcony above the foyer. Other features included with this stunning home are all the ceiling and wall-mounted electrical light fixtures, all window treatments and all appliances, 2 owned hot water tanks, 200 amp service plus 100 amp service in the garage, which also comes with 3 garage door openers and remotes, as well as an access pipe from the attic to the basement for future wiring. And the property has an in-ground sprinkler system, soffit and landscape lighting, as well as a security system with cameras. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms are also carpeted for coziness, have good-sized closets, as well as shadow box wall trimmings as a subtle design feature. And these 2 bedrooms, as well as the hallway, are also brightened with pot lighting. A stately double-door entry opens into the luxurious master suite. A true personal retreat, the bedroom has large windows with privacy blinds along its east wall from which to enjoy views of the backyard oasis, includes a ceiling-mounted and a wall-mounted TV, has the coziness of broadloom in addition to the warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded by a stacked stone facade, while a gorgeous semi-flush crystal and metal light fixture illuminates the sitting area. The two walk-in closets are complete with custom organizers, with the larger of these closets having an ensuite laundry area with front-load washer and dryer. Flooded with light through a west-facing arched window, the luxuriously appointed ensuite washroom showcases exquisite stone-tiled finishes throughout, a step-up bath area with decor columns, a wall-mounted fireplace and TV, and with a vaulted ceiling above, a two-person shower area with rainfall and handheld shower heads and a stone shower seat, a custom vanity with granite counters, double basins, and a makeup vanity, as well as pot lighting and the privacy of a water closet with toilet and bidet. Walking distance to West Creek Public School, close to Rouge National Urban Park and its extensive trail system, as well as a short drive to shopping, restaurants, the GO station, and access to Highway 401. This magnificent home is a showcase of superb family living in one of Pickering's finest neighborhoods.